You got a driver's license on you? What'd you just spray all that cologne for? Any weapons inside the car?
What's my name?
I'm about to open the car.
Yeah, open it up.
Listen.
You'll open it up. You good? Can't find your wallet or anything? Oh, nah, hold on for a second.
Whoa.
You know, you good, man.
Whoa.
You all right. You're okay.
Cut down my wallet, bro.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I'm trying to help you out.
No,
Check your...
Listen, you don't gotta help me out. Listen, I'm about to reach for my wallet right now.
Okay, all right.
Okay, go ahead, man. Any weapons inside the car?
Yo, I'm about to reach for my wallet right now.
Okay.
Go ahead, grab your ID then, man.
I'm gonna grab my ID.
Okay. Okay.
The person you heard in the back of the vehicle is the suspect's girlfriend, along with his 2 children. What the suspect is about to do is going to put all of them in severe danger.
Don't even worry about that blunt wrap. Just go give us your ID, okay? That's not a driver's license. We don't need a military ID.
So you need this?
Yeah.
Go ahead. What else you need?
No, here you go. You got that back.
All right.
Here you go.
You sure?
Yep.
I'm gonna grab it right now.
You got it.
Okay.
Go ahead, turn the car off for me. Yeah, go ahead, press the, yeah, there you go.
You might have better luck calling off.
What happened to the car?
What you mean?
Right here in the front.
Ain't nothing happened to the car.
Yeah, you got damage back here, you got damage in the front.
Oh yeah, it's fresh.
Turn it back off. Dude, my man, turn it back off. Where you going?
126 right now. He's taking off. There's 2 children in the back.
Do you think he's a fair?
Yeah, he's highly intoxicated.
Did he continue eastbound? I'm on the freeway right now.
Yeah, he's looking 422 eastbound. He'll be blacked out. He didn't have any lights on.
Alright, let me eastbound.
Reggie, you see where he went?
Yeah. You go that way, I'm gonna go this way.
Looks like a Jeep Cherokee. It's running blacked out.
It's also got driver's side damage to the front of the vehicle.
Oh, he just crashed 422 eastbound. Radio 7 squad. 422 eastbound. I think just before Harper.
10-4, sending the squad 422 eastbound just before Harper.
The car caught fire.
There's going to be 2 kids in the back, 1 in the middle, back right, female passenger adult in the rear left.
We're going to have to shut down the freeway. We have ejections.
Hey! His hands? Hey, man, let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Come over here, he's highly intoxicated. Come here! Drop the child! Drop the child! Hey, man. Hey, man, drop the child. You. Come up here. Come up here. Yo. Come up here. Come on, man.
I got a female. Barely breathing.
No. Man, stop. Brother. Stop.
No, that's my
Fighting. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. We got him. Go see him. Check the car. Check the car. Get everybody else out of the car.
Who the f you? Yeah, that's my daughter. You okay, baby? You okay, baby? Go see what first aid we can get to this female. Okay,
come here. Ma'am. Can you hear me? Ma'am, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hey, come here. She's barely breathing. So just keep going. Radio, we're doing CPR. Tell the squad to get here. My radio's not working.
We got got a female on the ground. She needs to go immediately. Everybody's out of the vehicle. We got one male in custody. Yeah, radio, see if you can get a helicopter.
10-4.
You guys want the freeway shut down? Upper, we have it blocked. Radio, advise the squad. They can come up the 422 East ramp from Harper and come towards us. It's shut down.
126, I'm out.
10-4.
7-5, man, trash.
Where is the female at?
Always over.
Copy.
Where's the female at?
10-4.
What do you need? 80.
Radio advise the squad. We got heavy pelvic damage.
Female.
Two broken legs possibly.
Head injury.
That's
Get sure.
all that bleeding.
Here, I got it. Cut it. Okay. Oh, they're coming up the wrong way.
Somebody has the kids, I think.
Yes.
Who's got the kids? The kids okay? I think so. Can you do me a favor, man? Just pull right behind that one over there, please. Actually, hold on. The squad's here. Never mind. Just sit here. The kids, I believe, are fine.
Radio, we're gonna need that helicopter.
Confirm, we already contacted them. We're getting a landing location from the fire department.
He says she's still breathing.
Yeah. Okay, where's all the other patients at? Or is she the only one?
She's about the only one, I think.
Priority though.
Okay. They're all okay down there?
The kids are out. They're talking. They're walking.
Okay.
Yeah.
3 patients total?
3, yeah.
You go, man.
Oh my gosh, man.
28.
Still, I got her driver's license in my back pocket. So let it go. So pissed.
Coordinate with them, I guess.
Excellent.
I didn't know which way he went. So I was like, I'll just give it a shot. I don't know who was worse off, him or her.
Yeah.
Flight was canceled. Toll squad is going to transfer.
I see him coming eastbound, and all I saw was the car. It looked like it went airborne and caught on fire.
It looks like he rode top of his guardrail for a while.
Yeah.
So nobody was actually pursuing him. We were looking for him.
The female or the male, we're not sure. Call in.
I mean, squad has to take you to the hospital. Yeah,
My kid's okay.
Okay, thanks.
now you're concerned about your kids? Really?
No,
Why didn't you stop? Step on out of the car. These guys are going to check you out and take you to the hospital. Step on out of the car.
it's my kid's okay.
Yeah, your kids are fine. Luckily,
They went to restaurant.
they went to the hospital. Yes.
Restaurant hospital. Right?
I don't know. I don't know which hospital, but yes, your kids are fine. Your kids are fine.
Okay.
Just step on out, man. We got to take you to the hospital. All right?
What's your name?
Here, I'm going to take these cuffs off, and you're going to have a seat on this cot, all right? Have a seat on here. We're going to strap you in on that side. Okay?
I'm not resisting.
I'm trying to help you out.
Just know it wasn't my intention. It just caused much pain and suffering to the people I love. I can't take back what happened. I know you that every day I wake up and I wish I could. My heart is so heavy just knowing that you are not here, and every day I wish I could switch places with you and do anything to get you back. I lost everything that night, including my best friend, fiance, and mother of our children. As I look back on that day, I wish a lot of things would have happened differently, but I accept responsibility for what I've done. And I know you're an angel now, so continue to wrap your arms around our children. I would just like to apologize to the courtroom and my family.